Okay, so I'll start again. Welcome to the hackathon. I'm really happy that you guys have decided to join this part of the Build with AI and IWD 26 event. We have kicked off this hackathon few days ahead of the event because we want you guys to be creative, and a lot of you has been asking about something like this for so many times now, for a while. Yeah, so we have now bought it for you. Uh, this has started since this morning. So if you have an existing idea, but just an idea, not a working project, or if you are thinking of an idea, what you can do is you can use this platform. I'm going to copy this link and put it, if you don't have it, in the chat again. Yeah. So you can use this platform to register yourself. Uh, so I think from top to down, just gonna. So anyone who is participating, if they are winning, they are the winners. The prizes will be handed out on the event day. You need to be in person, otherwise it's all right to actually create a project, get together and hack. There's no problem with that. You could even win it, but you need to be on the day. Yeah, and this hackathon is only open for people who have tickets for the events. Yeah, if you don't have ticket for the event, this is not open. So it's only a closed community of people who are actually joining the event. Yeah, so it's not it's not an online hackathon. It's not an hackathon where anyone can participate. Yeah, this is only for people who are participating and coming for the Build with AI IWD 2026 event on Saturday, March 2026. There are multiple prizes to be given for this event. So we got Pixel, Google earbuds, a Lego wireless headphones, my mechanical keyboard, and some Google bags and some other swags. Yeah, and this will be. I think we'll decide on the prices around 4 o'clock on the event day. Yeah, but the hackathon closes in the morning, so you cannot submit anything after that. Yep. So I actually, for the test purposes, I actually created my own project. What will happen is basically, if you are thinking of a new project, you need to sign up. And if I open in an incognito window, it may give me that option to sign up. Let me see. Uh, yeah, so you can sign up, you can create a project, or you can join someone if you just have an idea and you want to actually work with someone. But the thing about working with someone is that they have to approve you. Yeah, and you will be part of the team. Yeah, so you can be a product manager, you can be a data scientist, you can be a large language model expert, and you says, I'm kind of interested in joining this project as a team rather than just working individually. Yep. As I said, the ticket is required for you to participate for this event. There is a Discord channel, yeah, which I will share the link for here. So you can actually jump onto the Discord channel for more discussions there. Yeah, so you can come there and discuss about what anything that you are not aware of, or what you want to, or you have questions for. Yeah, or what you want to do. Yeah. So that is more or less it. Yeah, and the type of project that you can work on, yeah, is I think it's in the rules area. Yeah. You can actually create your own project. A project has a name. You can come in with as a team, or you can work in solo. You can add team members here itself. Yeah, so that when or if you are the winner, when we invite you at the stage to do a quick presentation or talk about the project, you can bring the entire team, and you just can also get some some glory, yeah, on the stage. Yeah, so you can actually bring everyone who's part of this project, and then they can come on stage. uh, if you are thinking that this is too much for you and you are not ready spending the next 2 days working on a big project, tomorrow morning onwards you can actually work on the Garden of Forgotten prompt game building using Google ADK and Google Cloud. For that, you will require to have Google Cloud credits. Yeah. So we have opened this up, but it doesn't have the leaderboard right now. But what you can do is you can currently apply for the Google Cloud credits. Yeah, I'm going to come back to that. Yeah, and then we're just going to continue on the rules again. Uh, what we don't want to see is basically, some baseline RAG or some prompts, analyzers, yeah, or some generic chatbot, because this has been done. Yeah, be creative with your idea. Um, Try to see if you can use, and it's not necessary for you to just use Google technologies. You can use anything, Lovable or anything else that you are used to, and then build something. Yeah. So the idea is basically be creative, and what we want is basically a working project. Uh, so if I then go back to the project itself, yeah, what we require you to fill in is the idea. If there is any screenshot, the demo video, the code repository that we can look into, and an extensive description of what it does, so that we understand what the project is about. Yep. And then have a quick demo video of how is it working, and so and so and so, and the repository, so we can actually look into the repository, so that we can know that this was a genuine project, has been worked from basically today until the 14th morning. Yeah, so we can check all the commits, etc., etc. Okay, going back to the rules, anything else I want to add? Be innovative, look at some technical execution. I think I covered that. Uh, People, if you are GDPR concerned, your data is stored with us for 30 days and we'll delete it. So it's not been shared outside of this competition. Okay. Uh, the last bit is basically the adventure. So as I said, if you're not sure and you want to still participate, you could go in, create a project, and say, I'm actually working on the adventure leaderboard. Yeah. And how does that look like? This is a workshop. Uh, who has done this workshop before? Do you have anyone here who has done? Yes, no?
Does anybody have tried this? No.
No.
Beautiful. Okay, that is amazing, actually. Uh, so what?
Yes, okay. Someone has done it.
So again, this is a learning exercise, and if you have already done it, then you know what it is, and just try to do some hackathon work. But if you are not sure, so there will be a leaderboard, yeah, and the new leaderboard will open up tomorrow morning, which says GDG London, yeah, and then you will be part of that leaderboard. Okay. Uh, so right now, what you could do is you could try the workshop. You can see what it talks about. What is it about? Is it text-based adventure game? Uh, and what you are trying to do is basically you are using text commands, like things like move north, examine the chest, take the golden key, and so and so. Yeah, uh, and then solve it. Yeah, and then once you started working through the game, you would see that yeah, so I don't have access to the page. I need to log in. So you'll see that, I think I'll log in. Yeah. So now over here I have resources, going to the leaderboard. Yeah. So it uses Google Agent Development Kit, and then you'll see that it actually says, okay, for this workshop, you need to actually, have the cloud credit. So set up Google Cloud, configure the environment is in the GCP, yeah, using the Agent Development Kit, and then the idea from this point onwards would be the agent is actually trying to solve the problem. Yeah. So what you're learning here is how to create an agent, how to set it up, how to use the APIs, so that the agent will be the ones who will be solving the puzzles in the game. Yep. As I said, make sure, so when you got the credit, you need to set up the Google Cloud billing account for the credit that you have. Do not actually give your own personal, so use your personal email, but do not use your Google Cloud personal credit cards. Yeah, you do not require a credit card. If you are going in that direction in GCP, shout on Discord or wherever you want to, because we don't want you to actually pay. Yeah, because we are giving you the credits for this one. Yep. So you go to Google Cloud Console, create a new project, and the credits that you have is what you assign to the project. Yeah, and it has the steps described over here. Yeah, and then just follow the instructions. Generally, I prefer don't set up locally. Yeah, do option A, which means you are working on the cloud console shell, and then everything will work there within the cloud shell. Yeah, you do not need to set it up locally. If you want, it just makes it a bit more difficult. Yeah, because then if your computer is logged, or if you are using an office computer, it's not easy for you to finish this because there will be restrictions, etc. etc. Yeah. So two things to remember. One is use the credit, the billing account just coming from that credit, not the credit card, and use your personal email, yeah, which is a Gmail account. Okay, and then rest is simple. Then you play the game. So when it is open, we will see the leaderboard, and only the top 3 people, yeah, will be part of the raffle for the prizes for this one. Yeah, because this is what this is not that innovative enough for you to actually finish a hackathon project. It's just you're following some steps to actually complete it, yeah, and then be part of it. Hence, if you are thinking of winning big prizes, you just think of a project that you want to work on. Okay,
Yeah.
now open to questions.
If you like finish this like a game as well, you will get something, but like a not a big one things, right, Sumit?
Yeah, that's the whole idea. It's if you finish the game from the leaderboard, we will refer something out. But for the big prize, what we prefer is basically you work on a hackathon project.
So who has registered for the hackathon up till now? No one. You can put it in the chat as well if you want. Or if you need any help, like to understand something or like how to, because we already shared the resources as well. So Sumit, if there is a silence, that means that they know everything, they understand everything, or they don't understand a single line. What?
Or they're busy hacking.
Yeah.
No time for this. I'm just already hacking. Yeah. Uh, so yeah, if you have no questions, we get Google credit for individual projects as
Yes.
well. So if you are on this page right now, you can see a Google Cloud Credit. Yeah, and the whole thing is basically, but you can click on it, and that will take you to the Google Cloud Credit page. It should take you to the Google Cloud Credit page. Is it opening somewhere else? I need to check. Inspect. I think it's a link.
There is a link, right? Yesterday we tried it.
Yeah. So this is supposed to be a link, and this link should take you to the Cloud Credit page. Yeah, I need to check why it's not. Yeah.
Or like if you already register with the hackathon, then if that doesn't work, we will send you the email and share the link for the claim the cloud credits basically.
I may already been hacked. Maybe the website. Let me see.
There are
Console.
smart people around.
There is errors. Let's see. Firebase errors. Okay.
Do we start submitting ideas now, or it's everything is done? You can submit the idea. You can save your progress. So yeah, you can go with that basically.
Hmm. So this is the Google Cloud Credit page. You sign in, and then you only get one chance, yeah, to claim it.
And one thing is very important. You need to use your Gmail like a ID. You cannot use your workplace like a Google workplace email or anything. You need to have a Gmail email for this to use.
Hmm.
Otherwise, it will not work.
Yep. So that is the link. See if someone wants to try and claim credits now and make note of this. Yeah, I already have the credits, so I cannot show it to you how this should work. So basically, sign in as Sumit. You click on that, and you should get like a credit. Okay. Yeah, there you go. And then build with AI London.
Yeah.
Claim your credits. Okay.
Someone is
Uh,
asking that about the demo, if we can present our project. Yeah, first three people who has on the on the first three, we will give you the 3 minutes or something to they can showcase their project basically.
yep.
So it is saying that
Duncan, do we start submitting ideas now? Yes. Is everything done on Saturday? Saturday is basically we are closing this, so we need some time to judge. Hence, we will be closing everything Saturday morning, and then what we'll be doing is deciding on the winners. What does the event on Saturday include? The event on Saturday is a big event. It's a lot of speakers there. So if you then look in on the website itself, Build with AI, GDG London, you can see that we have multiple tracks. So check the agenda here. Yeah. So check the agenda, and you can see what actually yeah, what type of talks do you want to join? Yeah, so we have a keynote from Rosario starting 9:30. Some talks from, in fact, before that, maybe a talk from Googler, and then 10 onwards, we have multiple tracks. Yeah.
and there are there are some workshops as well, if you don't know how to use the agent or something like that, there are the workshop people are running there, and then you can use the cloud credits there as well, the same cloud credits, and you can attend the workshop and learn the things basically.
Mhm. And did you answer Ben? Yeah, you did. Yeah.
So he's saying that it is showing that deadline is Friday 23.959.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, that is what
Yeah. Yeah. Friday last. Because we are not working after that. Yeah, we need to come to the event a bit more of a fresh. So we just want to make sure that it finishes. Yeah.
People need to hack our minds otherwise.
Otherwise, we will be presenting or talking zombied out. Because as you said, you can see, like, the whole day is very, very busy with lots of talks, lots of amazing speakers, again, industry experts. So yeah, check that and see if something that is, and the page you were showing earlier with the info of the workshop is already available. So the page I was so again, I'm going to repeat myself. One is you create your own project. Yeah. If you are not sure of your project, I think I would push you guys to do projects. Yeah, because then it will be fun to learn and do more. But if you are saying, well, I don't have a project, I'm not sure. Yeah, or maybe you have finished a project. Yeah, you could also do this adventure leaderboard. Yeah, and this adventure leaderboard, right now, the leaderboard is not turned on. This is a leaderboard that was 1st of March. This is an old one. Yeah, I just kept it, or they just kept it for us to give you an example of what it should look like. Yeah, so you have people who are joining. Yeah, and this is how the leaderboard will be looking like. There will be a new leaderboard that will kick off tomorrow morning.
Hmm.
Yeah, for this event. But for now, if you are basically just exploring, you can read about what this game is about. You can try this game. Yeah, so by playing yourself. Yeah, so this is now the game that you are looking at. Understand the game, and then tomorrow morning onwards, because this is not going to take you the whole day. The whole of, I think all of that may require max to max 2 to 3 hours to finish. Okay. Okay, LT. No, I'm not going to share it. I want to get some clicks. So come and check the website. she's, she's saying, please.
Of course, thank It's not that I didn't want to come on the website. I was just struggling to understand where. Thank you.
Yeah.
So we have developed this website for this particular event. So please appreciate that as
Of course. Thank
No,
you.
that's all right. No problems.
well.
Okay. Any other question? Well, what's your full name, LT?
Larissa Terranova. Me,
Larissa.
LT. I should change that. But for privacy reasons, I decided to keep it just
Yeah.
LT. Sorry.
Yeah. No, no, that's fine. That's fine. It's just some maybe there was a time when I was talking to someone and I was actually using their last name, and then they said, "Hey, that's not my name." I was like, "Okay, what's your name then?" So sometimes people have different, so completely understandable. And nice to have met you online. Okay, anything, any questions, guys?
Can I ask a question by like voice instead of like typing it on the chat? Is that
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay?
yeah, yeah.
Okay. So this might be like my first attempt at a hackathon. I just wanted to know, is there like a theme or a concept that we're following, or is it just like you can pick any idea, or because I want to know like how do I pick an idea? Like, is there something specific you're like, do you follow what I'm saying?
so you can pick any idea, no? So again, like so for giving you guys an example, yeah,
Okay.
I was actually so that's our Discord. So this is the website. So I was saying, what should I actually put in? I just was thinking on flight, and I says, okay, I'm gonna do. So I talk to people, and I have lots of what do you call small snippets, and I
Mm-hmm.
wanted to basically make a thing which is a Snippet Pro AI edition.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So that was my idea. I said, okay, I'm gonna make a Snippet Pro AI, and if you want, you can actually use some kind of a Miro board or something to sketch it as,
Okay.
as an initial idea, saying, okay, what would I like this to have? If you are into vibe coding, maybe you can actually start looking into vibe coding and start coding this. Then
Okay.
this actually also stores something, and I think it's not finished yet, but I'm kind of almost 70% in this whole idea that this will be like a Chrome extension, and then when I click here, I can copy from here and then put it into wherever I want to do. Yeah,
Right.
so that's an idea. It's just an
Okay.
idea.
You
Okay,
can
so there's nothing specific. Okay, go on.
no, no,
Sorry.
you can use your own any idea. So
Okay,
we
all
keep
right.
it like a open for everyone to just. We don't want to see your creativity. What you think?
Yeah, I was wondering if there would be like, is there a theme that we have to stick to? Like, it seems there isn't. So yeah, that
Okay.
was my question. Yeah.
Yeah, but if you want to, and if it is too much, and as I said, but I don't prefer you guys to do it, is to just go and finish this one. Yeah, the Garden of Forgotten Prompts.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this actually teaches you how to, where is the link for that? I think it's in resources. Yeah.
Yeah.
How to actually use the Google Agent Development Kit. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's say what is it right now? 6:30. So if you say, okay, I'm going to start working on this, I know for sure by 9:30 you would learn Google Cloud, Google Agent Development Kit, and you can then go back to your idea saying, okay, now I know this one, so I can
Mm-hmm.
actually expand on the idea.
Right.
This, although I said 6:30 to 9:30, this opens tomorrow morning though. So
Oh, okay.
leaderboard for this opens tomorrow morning.
Right.
Yeah,
Okay.
because this is
All
just a
right.
half an hour thing, and I do not want everyone to be on the top. Yeah, then there's
Right.
no purpose because everyone is going to finish this. Yeah, it's like a
Yeah, yeah,
workshop.
yeah.
So you everyone goes like, okay, I got just like as an example I was showing, everyone gets 3,853. You're like,
Okay.
okay, so then there's no use for it. That's why I kept this a bit more lagging.
Right,
Yeah,
right.
than what this one, what the normal ideas are, because then you can start working on your idea.
All right. Thank you
Okay,
so much.
thank you.
Anyone have any question? What time tomorrow morning? Sweet. You're on mute, Sumit.
Yeah, I think so. It is 10 o'clock. Yeah, if I remember correctly. I am checking that on the other screen.
So you all are participating in hackathon? You already bought the ticket? What is your status like? Or still thinking of? And in the resources, right, Sumit, there is a like you can use Firebase Studio or whatever like to do the vibe coding. You can use a cursor, Claude, anything.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, LT. And
Why
no,
not?
so no project ideas. Again, you can work together. Yeah. Over here, you can see other people. So you can say, you know what, someone has a problem, someone has a solution, work together. Renuka, maybe you can talk about you're saying, so let's say you are not sure. Is anyone aware of what is it, Firebase Studio? Yeah, Firebase Studio, is that what it's called, Renuka?
Yeah,
I'll type, you
Firebase
talk.
Studio. Yeah, Firebase Studio.
Studio.
Yes.
So if you are again not sure of the world of Google, Firebase is a Google product, and this is a Firebase Studio, which actually also have an AI behind it. Yeah, so you can make an app. If you haven't done making an app and making, I'm not a coder. Yeah, you could actually use Firebase Studio, or you could use Gemini, you could use Cursor,
I can use
you could use
anti-gravity as well.
Claude, you could use Lovable, and so and so.
Yeah.
And then I think so. Maybe when on Discord, I'm not clear. If Aryan here in this call? No.
No, I
No.
don't.
So I heard that we may or we have the cloud credits, not cloud credits, Lovable credits that you
Hmm.
can use to build using Lovable also. Yep. So I'm just giving an example, and you can just come in, log in using your Google account, and this is a place where you can start thinking of an app. Yeah. So try Firebase Studio.
Yes.
And then now you are given kind of a window where it will ask, what are you trying to build?
Yeah.
Uh, I am trying to build ideas app for hackathons. Yeah, so
Yeah.
now I'm going to go crazy. Yeah, and this should give me winning ideas. Yeah. Okay, there you go. Some typos. Prototype with AI, and then there you go. And then you can ask if you are a Python developer, or if you're a React developer, or if you're HTML, or you're not even a developer. You just say, can you build it for me? So it's actually start ideating. And then I think it's not like this is the only platform. You go to Lovable, you see the same. Nowadays a lot of the things are around vibe coding, and then yeah, you build it. As I said, you guys are all here, and you also are in the Discord channel. Maybe pair up.
Yeah.
Pair up. If you think that you want to meet, and maybe there's a office space or something like that, or you live close by, pair up. Yeah, just try to win that Pixel. Yeah, Pixel phone.
They are really amazing prizes.
Yeah.
Like a people are saying to us that, oh, we never win such kind of things in hackathon. So see, like if you want to try your luck, definitely try the put your hands dirty in the create some nice ideas to into the actual app or anything, something.
So I think it's nice. I got. I should register this as a website already. Hackathon Spark, AI idea generator, and actually the AI idea generator uses AI to generate ideas. Yeah.
Yeah. So when you click on the prototype, yeah, like
And then I'm gonna use Next.js, TypeScript. I know these languages. So I'm gonna click on prototype this app, and this actually yeah, creates the code, yeah, and uses GenKit and everything else. So yeah, so sorry I cut out. Are you saying we should be using? Nope, you should
No, no,
not.
you can use anything,
Anything.
any vibe coding platform, or you can do hard like your own coding and build something. That is also fine. We are, we just need to see your creation.
But if you create a hackathon Spark, that is already disqualified. Yeah.
So someone is saying, hackathon is already started, but yeah, it's not never late. You can try it again. Try it now as well. You
Yeah.
can participate.
Hackathon has started, so the whole idea is one place. You just add the project, what you're trying to build, and if you can always change. Yeah. So on the platform itself, we have the flexibility for you to change the ideas. Yeah. So if you are going on here, and if you look into my project, you can only do one project. Yeah,
Mm.
because that's all the time you have. You can edit the project, and it says actually it's not the project I was thinking. I can. So when you create a project, this is what you've been given. Yeah, as project title, team name, the name of whatever, solo or more people. If you are actually together in a university and you don't want you're just taking help, you can just add the team members names. And as I said, if you're working together and you are the winner, you will get some stage time also. So when you are given the award, you all come on the stage, yeah, together. Are you saying I am open for other members to join this team? So you can say open to the team members. If you have, you can actually always do, like, I think young kids, not me, are always up for camera. Say they're not camera shy at all. So you can start recording and put it on YouTube and give the YouTube link here. And then what are you building with? Yeah, and then your name. I think the name and everything else gets taken from the registration. What else? And then you can upload all the screenshots. If you want to share more information with us, you can share the social links and so and so. Yeah, you save the progress. And once you're done, when you're very, 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 very happy, you hit submit. Only hit submit when you're ready, because you cannot unsubmit. Yeah.
Mm.
All right. Any other questions?
So someone is asking, like Ben is asking that when are you going to announce the reveal the winner for the hackathon?
So this would be 4 o'clock on Saturday.
Yes.
So in the schedule here, we are closing the event, and this is when we will do all the prizes, and then people who have won will get some stage time. Plus, they can talk about what they were building. Even you don't need to completely, I don't know, create an agent that actually stops the war. I should not be saying this. so, so you don't actually completely make it fully ready, production ready. Yeah, but I think as long as it's working.
Yeah. Anyone have any idea to share here? What they want to build?
Yeah, so we are here for a while, and I don't have anything else to share. Uh, yeah, Devans has some ideas in terms of productivity tool. That's an interesting idea, no? Uh, Productivity tools based on what you are like, as a personality.
So what he is asking, how you do the prizes work here? Spare at prizes for the workshop, game, and the main pitch.
We kept it simple, so not too much of that. The pitch and everything else should be part of your submission. Yep. So let me go back to the rules. Yeah, so this is where the judging criteria, how original and how creative the idea is. So it should be part of your description. Project explain the problem, the idea, how our resources, and also in your video. Yeah, and it should also reflect in the GitHub. Okay, how impactful with it, and so we're not judging your selling skills. Yeah, the 60-minute or 60-second elevator pitch. We're just checking whether this is a good idea for for us to judge. Yeah, we do not have time for especially on Saturday, for you to come in and pitch your idea. Yeah, the idea pitch should be already done in the project description. And how does the price work for the workshop? Workshop one is again very simple because it's a simple workshop, and you can finish it whenever you feel like. It's in the resource when the leaderboard opens up. Yeah, you can then just look at the scoring. Yeah, and this is the highest you can achieve. So basically, come to the top three as fast as possible. Yeah, and it's interesting, this workshop. When you go through the workshop and when you read through it, there are areas where you would be finding some extra stuff, like an extra chest or a key, or so your agent is going to be helping you uncovering those secrets. Yeah, and once you uncover those secrets, you basically get more points. So if you go from point A to point B, that's it. But if you go from point A, uncover open chest, get the golden key, uncover some secrets, and so on, so on. So an agent's going to help you. Yeah. So workshop has elements of that where you can find all of that information. Yeah. Uh, so this when you actually here build your agent, yeah, this is when you will actually be able to get more points at places, not everywhere. Yeah. Okay. Building some kind of a stand-up, or uh, I'm thinking to build some sort of a stand-up with our own selves. Not sure what Devyans is saying there. Yuri, separate star. Hmm, not sure of that also. Uh, if you want to unmute yourself, maybe you can talk about what you meant by separate. It's a typo on the previous question. Got it. Anything else, anyone? Uh, okay. And Ben is saying I'll be late on Saturday and arrive after registration time. Yeah, that should be fine. So you'll miss some of the talks. Registration is open until 2. How long do you think the workshop game lasts? The workshop game can be finished in, if you don't know nothing, yeah, and you are kind of starting it slowly, it still can take you 3 hours to finish this. It's a very simple one. And Megan, you can do workshop and a project. Can we start anytime?
Yeah, you can start now, tomorrow morning after we started the leaderboard. Yeah.
Yeah, the leaderboard needs, I think, join the leaderboard kind of a thing. Yeah, so this is an old event. Yeah, so we will have our own leaderboard, and then you join our leaderboard. Yeah. So it won't be it won't be useful to do anything right now because
Now they can participate in hackathon, Sumit.
yeah, they can. Yeah, so
That is the thing,
should be
basically.
participating in the hackathon rather than this one. This one we kept it as a small thing. If you are new to coding, if you don't know any of the products, you can and you still want to participate and achieve something. Yeah, maybe you can put that on LinkedIn that you are the highest score winner. Yeah, so these are the things, and the main reason why we are doing this is basically for you to increase your portfolio. Yeah, especially in the new world of job and a lot of AI skills needed.
And I think the main purpose of this hackathon to create something with the agents, AI, something, because the whole world is shifted to the AI now. So I think you need to be learn this new skills basically.
Just the prices for workshop is headset and a Lego.
Keyboard, yeah, Lego
Yeah,
as well.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
All the prizes are really good, Sumit. I as an organizer, we can't able to join the the thing. Otherwise, I would like to create my own thing.
I have 3 projects already,
Yeah,
Renuka.
that's true. Which link they want? They want to build with a hackathon link.
Oh,
We already shared in the email as well. Uh,
mm. Renuka, this idea that we kicked off during the call is there. Hackathon Spark.
See,
And you can favorite, or you can actually talk about a theme, technology, problem statement, and generate idea. Wow.
yeah,
Wow, wow, wow. Let me add a Gemini key and see if this actually works. Yeah.
yeah.
You actually have what, another 12 minutes. And as I said, you guys don't need to wait here if you are busy or anything else. And all the questions have been answered. You can already. Okay, I'm going to then create a key. This is for demo on. Okay, create key. So I'll delete the key afterwards because you guys can see my key. Okay, and see if it appears the app needs a Gemini API key. Enter the API key. Continue. I did not pick that up. Anyone doing vibe coding or anything else right now? Are you all data scientists, students, professionals?
So, like someone is asking how we quickly we can get the answers for their questions. So, yeah, you can participate. Like you can join the Discord channel. Our people are there. They will help you. And Sumit, we are doing the another session tomorrow as well. Like if you have any question by tomorrow, we are again. You can join the call. You can message us on the LinkedIn or whatever. Like it's
Okay. Learning, and she wants to build AI tools. Okay. Yes, sir.
nice.
Nice.
And this is the beauty, right, Sumit? Before that, you need to be developer to develop something, right? Now you don't need to be developer. You just need to know how to do the vibe coding. That's it. You can develop any application.
Okay, I think I'm always wanted to know what is AI for good. AI for good, uh, for should we say climate? Yeah, and uh, predicting PRED, predicting rain in. I think it would be nice, no? So prediction PREDICTION, exact rain in UK. Always like they say it's raining, it's not raining, and then it just rains. So let me see if I can actually build something. Oh, there you go. So there's an idea for you guys. This is awesome, Renuka. Yeah, it actually used AI to generate these ideas.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, I think what was someone's idea? I'm going to copy that idea and put it here. So it was thinking to build some sort of a startup of ourselves. I'm not sure. So Devyans wanted to build a productivity tool. So the theme is build a productivity tool. And was there a book? No, a very famous productivity book. Uh, MOUSPRODUCT. I forget the name, but I was Atomic Habits. Yeah, that's what I was thinking of. So I think I'm going to ask it to actually to productivity tool following Atomic Habit. Atomic Habit. The methodology. There you go. Okay. No one has any other question? I'm just playing around.
Yeah, I think so. Everything is clear. Nice.
I like it. Monument mates. Yeah, this is good. And then you can publish it. Click, there you go. So that is one way of hacking. Can you recommend us to use hackathons? No, no, Yuri. Then you will not be hacking it, just copying again. I like this also. So I said, can you actually, and this is clever, yeah? And this uses Gemini behind the scenes. So can you actually see if my connections are also working? So it actually created me a Wi-Fi type link saying, yep, connections are working. The model says, hello world. So fun, so much fun. Right.
So the idea, you can use the chat GPT, Gemini, anything, then you can get some ideas from there and you can build your application. You can draw some nice like image or something for your application, and it will help you to build the similar kind of application through Firebase Studio or Anti-Gravity, Cloud, anything.
Mm.
It's upon you how much creativity you have it.
All
So
right. I think if no one has any other questions, I will give ourselves 5 minutes back and then you guys 5 minutes back. Yeah.
yeah.
And then we will have something like this tomorrow also. So if you are stuck, you can have a conversation. Otherwise, we'll meet you on the Discord channel.
Yes, we already shared the Discord channel link as well here. Again, if you want, I will share again that so that.
And if you can promote it online
Yes.
yourself and ourselves. So a simple one could be that you can take a screenshot right now and put it on your LinkedIn and tag us. We are always happy to be talking about ourselves everywhere on any channel. Yeah. So and that can help you also to increase your network. Like you are participating in a hackathon run by GDG London. You can tag GDG London. You can tag us, and then you get more visibility online. Yeah. The whole idea of this is all about networking, working together, learning, and also self promotion. Yeah. So you need to promote yourselves.
So if you put any post and tag the GDG London, we definitely like and repost that post. So you will get more kind of things from there as well. I think
Okay.
pretty much done, Sumit. I
Yep.
think
and
Yes.
see you on the other side. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye. Stop the recording.